Hey everybody, I'm Mr. Irvin, and I want to give you a quick tour of our classroom this year, which is in N119 in the North Building. Why don't you come along with me and I'll show you some of the stuff that's on the walls and the place that hopefully you'll be returning to as soon as possible. All right, so here's our virtual tour of N119. You know, when you come in the door, right away you've got like the organizers that lay out all the units that we're going to be doing over the course of the year in my AP classes. As well as our daily schedule, which is pretty much thrown out the window, so that's going to have to be replaced. You'll notice right away I've pretty much lined the walls of my room with images of history as well as flags. Part of that is just because I love history and I love talking about this kind of stuff. Another part of it is that I like to cover up that ungodly ugly green wall that's behind me there. So I just try to create a colorful environment. And of course, I find that it all goes really well with our bright blue floors. Back here is the desk where I'll be broadcasting our remote lessons. And you can see I've got my bookshelf here with, I got some bobbleheads and I've got some different books I'll be using over the course of the semester. I've got pictures of my family that are front and center. They pretty much motivate everything that I do. And then for those that don't know me very well, I'm a volleyball coach, and so I've got some of my teams, past and present, that are pictured here. Actually, our current juniors, who I think I have a few of you in class, your picture is right on the board right there. So, obviously you'll be able to see that when you guys get back into class. For those that maybe recognize this classroom, it's also the Social Studies Center, at least it was in the past. So maybe you've spent some time in this classroom. In the back, I've got the American flag, the Illinois flag. I also have the University of Illinois flag where I attended. And then I've got over here, obviously, a Woodstock, Hamilton poster, JFK, some more images of teams that I had. In the front, obviously, is going to be that whiteboard where I would either write on the board or project. And then I've got my podium where sometimes I would lecture from if we were in class. I look forward to getting a chance to know you guys. Obviously, this class, this classroom reflects a lot of my own interests, whether it's the Sox flag that's in the back, or there's a lot of references to music in here, whether it be John Lennon or Woody Guthrie, as well as historical figures that I find fascinating. Hopefully I get a chance to find out a little bit about what interests you guys, and I'll see you guys in these seats sooner than later. In the meantime, I'm looking forward to diving into this history and just having a good start of the year.